Here's a quick blueprint to break into a role in big tech. Now, I'm pretty much a year removed from my previous software engineering job at Amazon, and yet still I get recruiters in my emails every single week begging me to sign up for interviews. Why? Because I know how to play the game, and I'm about to give it to you. I'm going to be telling you this from the perspective of a software engineer. However, this is pretty much universal advice. Just slightly tweak tip number 2 to whatever field you're in. Tip number 1, use buzzwords in your resume. It's sort of like hashtags, but for LinkedIn and all of those career sites. If you're applying for an engineering role, start mentioning things that are relevant in the engineering world that day, because the recruiters are pretty much just pumping in resumes looking for those keywords. Step 2, make sure that you practice interviewing itself. Just because you have good experience and you have a lot of things to talk about does not mean that you're going to be good at interviewing, especially technical interviewing. It's similar to how it was when we were in high school. Just because you have a good GPA does not mean that you're a good standardized test taker. And number 3, this is the most important yet the most overlooked, and I don't understand why. You need to be cold emailing and cold DMing the recruiters. There's so many people that want to work at these companies. If you just submit your application quietly and hope for the best, you're wasting your time. Literally don't even apply. I've literally had recruiters tell me that they're glad that I emailed them. Why? I'm literally doing their job for them. Instead of them seeking out qualified applicants, I came to them. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, share it with a friend. And as always, follow for more trading and investing tips and occasionally career advice like this.